Work-based training is a form of education and skill development that happens directly in a workplace. It integrates learning with hands-on experience, allowing participants to develop practical skills needed for specific jobs. Common features include real-world application, mentorship, customization, and blended learning. Real-world application means trainees work on actual tasks and projects, gaining relevant experience. Mentorship is key with guidance from supervisors, trainers, or mentors throughout the process. Programs can be customized to meet the needs of both the organization and the individual. Blended learning combines on-the-job training with classroom or online instruction. Examples include apprenticeship, internship, on-the-job training, cooperative education, and job shadowing. For trainees, the benefits include job-specific skills, improved employability, and networking opportunities. For employers, it builds a skilled workforce, reduces recruitment costs, and enhances employee retention.
Good morning po, ma'am. We are from BTB Lattes and meron po kaming activity wherein mag-interview po kami ng mga panater na sa OJT sa subject po namin Perfect Working. So, pwede po ba kayong interview, ma'am?
Oo naman, pwede.
So, meron po tayong mga question dito, ma'am. Yung una is, where did you have your OJT?
Sa Mrs. Bakers,
What were the tasks assigned to you in your OJT?
we are assigned simple tasks by welcoming the guest or assisting the staff of Mrs. Bakers.
So, number 3, ma'am, how many hours is your OJT?
Meron po kaming 240 hours na kailangan tapusin.
Number 4, ma'am, what are the benefits na nakuha niyo during your OJT?
Para sa akin, ang nakuha kong benefits doon is kung paano mo i-control yung sarili mo, then lalong-lalo na yung patience dahil araw-araw kang nakatayo doon, 8 hours straight, hindi ka pwedeng umupo, so kailangan mo talaga ng patience. Yun ang pinaka-best na nakuha ko doon na benefit para sa sarili.
Yung last po na tanong natin, ma'am, ano po yung advice or motivation niyo para sa mga incoming students na mag-OJT?
Para sa mga incoming na mag-OJT, kaya namin noon na FSM, ang masasabi ko lang is, iwas-iwasan mo na yung pagkaarte, tanggalin mo na yon, and then, be the best version of yourself, then enjoy mo lang yung OJT na yon. Huwag mong isipin na mahirap or kahit ano na parang kahad lang sa mga gusto mo sa buhay. Basta be yourself, yun lang.
Thank you po, ma'am.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.